viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix War Robots game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. This is an important step. Once your PC restarts, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it. Click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it. Click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, here you have to click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then check if the game is launching now or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU settings, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates and this will check if there is an update available for Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will surely help to resolve the problem. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam is just go to Steam, click on select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. Next is to close background apps. So for that, you have to go to the Windows search, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. And now you have to wait for some time. After you get setup successful message over here, you simply have to close this. After that, Restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. But if the issue still continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and finally reinstall War Robots game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix War Robots game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.